Okay, y'all. It's about 33 degrees out right now. A front just moved through. With a lot of wind, a lot of snow. And we're going to try to see if we can get a squirrel. We're hunting here. We're hunting today with my Savage Mark II TRR-SR. Bolt action heavy barrel. And shooting standard velocity rounds. I showed you all my other videos. But hopefully we'll get a squirrel. But anyway, it's perfect conditions. The front's moving through, they ought to be moving. So it's cloudy as heck outside, but it's one of water blasts are moving through here. Alright, well, I'll be back shortly until we see a squirrel. We may have to put it in infrared or whatever, but we're going to see what we can do. Alright, y'all, we'll be back shortly. Hopefully see a squirrel. Alright now, back in a little bit. Alright, Semper Fi. Alright, but here, y'all can see the conditions out. And put my seeing eyeglasses back on. Yeah, I hope they'll move. I checked my camera earlier today. The camera's right through the woods. Let's see. There it is right there. Right there. Alright. Get out of there. Yeah, the conditions are really cool. If we see a squirrel, that'll be a bonus. But anyway, we'll be back shortly. Hoping we see a squirrel. Alright. Y'all take care. Alright. Okay, y'all. Got a squirrel right there. Right in front of us. Right there, about 55 yards away. Safety's off. Alright, we got him. Where'd it go? Okay. I just want to make sure he's down. If y'all know, a lot of them get up and run away if you don't hit them right. Okay, he's right there. Right in there. Reload. Okay. Back in a minute. Anyway, y'all, I think we just got a squirrel, but we'll find out here shortly. This is the round I'm shooting. CCI. Long. Lead, round nose, solid lead. Great round. My 5-round magazine. And I should really put this bullet back in the magazine, back in the chamber. Okay. Gotta find the hole. Oh, there it is. Okay. Anyway, this is my rig I'm using right here. I just showed you all my videos. This is a Savage Mark II TRR-SR with a muzzle brake. Flash hider on the end. Alright. So, we got squirrels calling everywhere right now. And it's a nice rifle. It's a Panasonic HCW 850. Great camera. Awesome. And it's got a twin camera right there. Tucked in there. But I'm using a Nikon Pro Staff 3-9 by 150 yard. 150 yard BDC bullet drop compensator. That's a Nikon scope, Pro Staff. Alright. And this is Savage Mark II 22 long rifle. There she is. Fluted heavy barrel. Long barrel, 24 inch, 22 inch without the muzzle brake, 24 inch with muzzle brake. Alright, let's get this on squirrel, y'all. Okay, we'll be back shortly. There you go. Got him. Whew. That was a tough shot. Well, where I'm in a blind, that is. He's down. Okay, y'all. We're back. We're on our squirrel hunting trip. We got 2 squirrels. And I'm really happy. They're gonna be good for the frying pan. Let me tell you. But it was a great day. I mean, when you got a front moving through or anything like that, you're gonna have a good hunt. Especially get down to 17 tonight. And it's about, let's see, it's about 5 minutes after sunset. And they're out. They're either out before sunset, after sunset, or before sunset. You know, either early in the morning, late in the afternoon, in other words. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching my videos. And, get this camera to work right. There we go. Let me see here. That's a new camera, still trying to learn how to use it. Whoa, ugly. But anyway, thank y'all for watching my videos. Please subscribe. God bless. And Semper Fi. Alright. And the squirrels are still out barking. That's hard to believe. But, yeah, check my camera today. I had about 2,000 pictures of squirrels. That is no kidding. Well, not some deer also. But yeah, it's a good hunt. Me and the Savage Mark II TRR-SR. That looks like without my cameraman on it. And it's the a Nikon Pro Staff 3-9 with the 150 reticle in it. Heavy barrel, long barrel too. 22 inch plus couple inches for the muzzle brake, which makes it 24 inches. So it's actually a 22-inch barrel. Heavy barrel, fluted. Alright. And then this is my old 2014 Honda Foreman 500 4-wheel drive. Okay, y'all have a good one now. Again, I'll see if I can get try this camera out. But thank y'all for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. All right now, take care. Bye bye.